The National Weather Service in Raleigh has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for central Davidson County in central North Carolina until 7:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 6:29 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Lexington, moving south at 10 miles per hour. Hazard: 60 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-size hail. Source: radar indicated. Impact: expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Lexington, Thomasville, Linwood, High Rock Lake, Gordontown, High Rock Lake Marina and Campground and Welcome. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. If on or near High Rock Lake, get away from the water and move indoors or inside a vehicle. Remember, lightning can strike out to 15 miles from the parent thunderstorm. If you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. Move to safe shelter now. Do not be caught on the water in the thunderstorm. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 7:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following county: Davidson, North Carolina,